try on some clothes. We're gonna try on some clothes. Hey Huckleberries, welcome to organizing video thing that I'm gonna do. So for those of you who are new here, I started this channel when I moved into my Mazda 5 and drove all over the US and Canada, living out of my car. I'm currently woofing in Hawaii, so completely different style of living. Now that I've been in Hawaii for about 8 months, I started to collect junk and buy clothes that I didn't really need or like that much. And especially living in my car, I was so good about conserving space and only keeping what was really important to me. And so I want to get back into that. So I thought I would go through my closet with you guys and talk you through step by step how I decide what items I'm gonna keep and what items I will be getting rid of, which hopefully will be a lot. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, I have my lovely closet. Behind me, I also have a couple piles with bottoms, shorts, pants, work shorts, miscellaneous tops, that sort of stuff. So I'll go through that with you guys as well. But we're gonna start with the hanging clothes. And the first thing I'm gonna do is organize by style or type. So obviously dresses, tank tops, shirts. Okay, cool. I'm gonna get started. Okay, so I just finished. I have organized my closet into tank tops, shirts, dresses, and layers, or like outerwears. Once I have everything categorized, then I can really take a step back and see clearly I have way more tank tops than I have anything else, but I also have a lot of layers, which for me makes a lot of sense because I tend to wear a tank top and then I put something over it. So makes sense, but I'm obviously gonna be a little bit more heavy-handed with my outerwear and with my tank tops versus my shirts. So it just gives you a little bit of perspective once everything's categorized. But now that I have everything separated, I'm gonna go in and organize it by the more casual stuff to the more formal stuff, and then I can go in and pick out the yeses, the nos, and then the maybes. A little bit of a side note, but I already filmed a video of my entire wardrobe with photos and videos of me wearing each item from my road trip. So of course some items have gone, some items have been added, but a lot of these clothes I've been wearing for years already, which is why I'm so ready to get rid of a lot of it. But if you are curious and you want to look through the wardrobe that I had with me on my 6-month road trip living in my car, I will link it down below for you guys. So now I can actually go through and pick out my yes, nos, and maybes. I guess I'll start with my tank tops. These are all my nice tank tops. It looks like they're all black. They're all really dark in color, but I don't care because they're all different styles. So that's a yes. This is a yes. This is a yes. This is a yes. I'm gonna try this on. This is one of my favorites. This I'm gonna try on. This is a crop top I did purchase out here. It was pretty cheap, got the keyhole back. It's really cute, like I still love it. I love blue, it's my favorite color, but I just don't really wear it that often. In that kind of situation where you like a shirt, it's comfy, it fits nice, but you don't wear it a lot, that is what I would put into the maybe category, where you can put it at the forefront of your closet and then give yourself 1 or 2 weeks to wear it a couple of times. And if you're still not that excited about it after those couple of weeks, then you get rid of it. So this is my first time trying this on. Very cute. I would use the word clubby. I can get the zipper up to there. I mean, it still fits, but the fact that I can't get the zipper up is sort of a no-go for me. So, first category, I only got rid of one and then I put one in the maybe pile. So not a ton of progress right off the bat. However, like I said, tank tops are what I wear more than anything else. So let's move on to casual tank tops. I got my smoky tank. I love this tank top. This is an old shirt. I painted in this shirt recently, so now it has paint on it. I've had this shirt since 2011 because this is the Aveda Congress shirt. It's an event that happens every year and I got to go and it was super cool, but I love the fit, I love the color. I'm gonna keep this because I got paint on it and I'm going to make it a project shirt, which means I don't need more than one project shirt. You really don't. So I think that's gonna be the one that I keep. Meaning that this shirt, which also has paint on it, is going bye-bye. This I'm so confused about because this is a, you know, fitness shirt with a built-in bra. I've been carrying this shirt around with me for so many years and I rarely wear it. I do wear it, but I rarely wear it. I am gonna keep holding on to it though because it's the only proper fitness shirt I have. So I just feel like this shirt is way past its prime. I've had it for so long that you can barely even see the moths anymore because it's so old. If you look at something and you are instantly happy about it, I don't know, just the fact that it's old doesn't mean it has to be done with. I'm gonna keep it. All right, it's actually really cute with this outfit too. That's kind of cute, am I right? I'm keeping it. Okay, this one might have to go. But I like this shirt. I like this shirt, look at it. That's a cute shirt. I have this bra in a lighter color. I just didn't really want to dig it out. It would actually look really cute. And I could wear this out and not just like bum around in it. Am I gonna get rid of anything? I mean, I'm sure you guys all feel me out there. Like, it's hard to get rid of stuff sometimes. But when you start to remember what shirts make you happy, what shirts get you really excited, then when you look at shirts like these, you know that you should get rid of them. Using the momentum of me wanting to hold on to this shirt, you bounce that off of a shirt that you're not feeling great about. There's a really funny rule that I heard about. I can't remember where I heard it. So whenever you think of an idea that you want as a tattoo, you say to yourself, do I want this as a tattoo on my body forever or do I want it as a t-shirt? And I honestly feel like Hakuna Matata I would rather have as a tattoo than on a t-shirt. Like, now that I have it on a shirt, maybe it's the font. I'm just bummed because I just bought this shirt maybe 2 months ago. It's okay, someone else will appreciate it more than me. Oh, I'm definitely keeping both of these. I recently decided that I like camo. I know it's been very trendy and very cool for a while now, but I wasn't into it until very recently. Again, with the army green, I know I'm just going crazy, but I recently bought this shirt and I think it was on clearance or something, but I love it. It's also just comfy and it has a kind of fun neck detail. And then this shirt kind of reminds me of it. It's like very similar cuts, like just comfy, slouchy shirt. But I really enjoy the bows on this one. The thing about this shirt though is the color and just the fact that I never wear a bra, so both of these really show off my nips, you know? I like this shirt. I feel like I need a necklace and I never wear necklaces, but look at that cute sleeve. So cute, you know? I'm just really bummed out and disappointed in myself that I went shopping a few times, just feeling a bit depressed. I started to do things that I just wouldn't do if I was in my right state of mind, so I just bought a whole bunch of clothes. It was a total lapse in judgment. This shirt, I like it, but I don't know if it's gonna make the cut. I'm gonna hold on to this shirt and wear it a few more times, but it's definitely at risk of being let go. I never wear this shirt because I don't like tight t-shirts. The only way I'll ever wear a t-shirt is if it's loose. And this one's definitely more fitted. Granted, it fits me really good. So I think what I'm gonna do, because it is such a fun shirt, but I just never wear it, is I'm going to take it to the Canada Fruit Fest. I think I'm gonna wear this while I'm there one day and then I'm gonna get rid of it. probably give it away to someone if I can find anyone that wants it. I think having a really cool place to wear it, like a fruit festival, it just kind of makes sense, and it'll be kind of fun to give it one last hurrah, and then I'm gonna get rid of it. I love this top. Whoa, 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 whoa. Anyways, I love this top. You can wear it closed, you can wear it open, do one of these. It's cute, yeah? But here's the problem, and that, my friends, that is mold. You can't really see that, it's really subtle, which is such a shame. Once I leave Hawaii, I don't think it's acceptable to have mold on a shirt. It's a bummer. It's a bummer that things just kind of get really beat up out here. If I could wear a robe or a kimono every day, I would. These aren't going anywhere. This will probably go to the grave with me. I love this thing. Again, a fitness top. This sweater is relatively new and I'm obsessed with it. This was my favorite shirt for a very, very long time. It just stopped being my favorite and I wonder why. So here we are. I'm gonna try it on again. When I bought this shirt, I thought it was gonna do what this shirt does. Makes me feel tan and blonde and just cute. Yeah. Oh, see? See, there it goes. It's old and just out here in Hawaii especially, there's just no appropriate time to wear this kind of shirt. So when I was back home in Minneapolis last winter, I went shopping with my mom one day and I found a Free People jacket. It was a denim jacket with rips and it was just very grungy and I don't know. I was sort of obsessed, but it was 60 bucks and I had no money. And my mom didn't buy it for me. But I had her take a photo of me wearing the shirt, so I'm gonna try and put it up. But I loved this jacket. I thought this shirt was like that shirt, but it is just so not. Look at how long this is! It's so ugly too! Not cute! I already know I'm keeping all of these, so I live for all of these pants. And I'm just so glad I've reached a point in my life where I have all these super comfy, super cute pants. Let's go out and wear pants. You know what I'm saying? I've got 2 skirts. Honestly, not really feeling either of them. For longtime viewers, you will recognize this skirt. I used to go hiking in this skirt all the time. This skirt, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I've got all these like super awesome pants now. I've had so many great memories with this skirt. We're just gonna cherish it that way. Very long, very denim. I have this like Miss Frizzle complex where I just like enjoy the idea of very eccentric teachers. So this is my inner art teacher, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna hold on to the skirt. There is a potential of me getting rid of it because it's just really out there for me. Now on to my shorts. These were the shorts I was wearing earlier. I love these. Yeah. There's nothing about these shorts that are cute. I mean, like, look at that. My comfy black shorts, these are awesome. These used to be my favorite shorts. You know, at face value, they're really cute, but the waist doesn't fit me. It's time to get rid of these pups. These ones were just given to me recently. Keeping those. It's like the weirdest color. They make me look really big. It makes my butt and my thighs look just so much bigger than they are. I'm getting rid of them. They're brand new. This isn't normally a problem I have. I'm usually really responsible about shopping. I had a lapse in judgment. The thing about this dress is I was wearing it constantly for so long that it's really beat up, as you can see on the sleeve here. Got a nice slit right at the leg. And it's just so comfy and I find it to be very flattering on my curves. This is really tough. This is a tough call for me. If another dress fulfills what this is fulfilling for me, then I probably won't need both of them. So I'm just gonna go from there. All right, so this is my other really long dress. It's kind of like wearing a pillowcase. And then it gives it, you know, more shape, of course. I think it transcends different seasons. I think this is appropriate in the summer, in the spring, in the fall, in the winter. It just has this palette where any kind of occasion I think I could make this work. I'm definitely not gonna get rid of it. So I wanted to try this dress on next just to prove a point that I'm very repetitive. Of course, another green long dress. Why would I go buy this dress if I already had a dress that looked exactly like it? And you wanna know why? Because I forgot about that dress. But also because of these amazing sleeves. This is like my inner elf child, you know? This dress was a hand-me-down. You know? Cute, right? I usually only wear this dress on laundry day. This is the dress I throw on when I want to be as close to naked as possible. But here's the problem. It falls off me constantly. My boobs are almost always at risk of popping out. So if I'm only wearing this dress to do chores, and yet it's difficult to do the chores in the dress, well, the dress has to go. This dress, I am really unsure about. This dress is very sexy. Always shows my nips. But then also the boobies fell out so much that I safety pinned it here, which kind of creates like weird gaps and stuff in the back, which I love the back. I mean, that's like one of the reasons why I got the dress. But it's cute, right? You know, it's cute. The only time I could imagine wearing a dress like this is if I was going to the beach. I never wear this over a swimsuit because I like wearing it bare. I think I might go out of my way to wear this one or two more times and go from there. So it's in the, you know, maybe category again. And then the last dress, I have been just ready to get rid of it for so long, but it's this. But I feel extremely frumpy when I wear it. Look at all this. So when you're in the moment and you're getting rid of stuff, it feels like you're not getting rid of anything. But through what we just did together, I have gotten rid of 15 items of clothing. I'm so excited to donate this and give it to people who will appreciate it more than me, you know? On top of that, I have 10 items of clothing here that I'm gonna keep at the front of my wardrobe. Take the next week or so to wear them, try them out again, and give them, you know, a couple more chances before getting rid of them. But that's 10 more items. I'm sure some of these will probably be going away in the near future. Keeping it at the front of your wardrobe really helps you to either become re-inspired by your wardrobe. Maybe I'll go out in this dress and feel so cute in it, and then I'm just excited about this dress all over again after it's been sitting towards the back of my closet for a while now. All this stuff, this is the stuff I love. I think this was extremely productive. I hope that my process and the way I kind of talk it through in my head, I hope it was helpful to you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want me to talk about minimalism or decluttering, anything like that, if you have any questions, I prefer to have as little as possible, so refocusing my energy on that. So any personal tips that you guys might have, I would love to hear. I hope you're all doing very well, and I'll see you all very soon. Peace.